Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new here, I am Diamond. Happy to have you. I started to film the roast, where I was roasting Micah, and my throat is hurting me, and my chakras were not aligned, okay? So I decided to just cut that, scrap that. I might, film it today, still film it today, but Micah. It's crazy. So today I want to do a quick IQ test because Einstein could never, okay? Never could you compare my IQ to a old frazzle-haired white guy, okay? Einstein could never. Now, let me go search for this IQ test and let's see if my brain is the size of a peanut or a walnut. And this is 123test.com. Sounds simple enough. Okay, so before we start, I want to give a shout out to, he has not commented #DiamondGang, by the way. Get to it, D. But I want to give a shout out to Uncommon Sense. Uncommon Sense is just, he has been a very supportive person to me, and I'm not talking like only on my videos. He just be giving free advice, He has taught me a lot of stuff in the short period of time that I've known him. Separate from how to smell good, he has taught me a lot of stuff, and I really value people who can teach me. And because I love learning, I love soaking up knowledge and whatever. So 100% appreciate him. His channel, as I said, is Uncommon Sense. I will be linking him in the description. He does scent reviews, fragrance reviews. So if you want to know what scent to get your significant other, what scent you want to wear, for specific occasions or specific seasons and times, and price ranges and stuff, definitely go check out his channel. He's an amazing guy. Absolutely amazing. And his smile, he got a nice smile, okay? And your girl likes locks, okay? Your girl likes locks. So your girl is over there, your girl is staring. Anyway, so definitely go check out his channel. Another shout out that I want to give is to an art YouTuber. Not art YouTuber, not really, but whatever. He's an artist. His channel is called Perpy. He's not a YouTuber, so I'm not gonna really be linking. Should I link him? He does visual art, right? Digital, whatever. His art, I told him, makes me high. And if I can get a clip, I'll put a clip in so you guys can see. But his art is crazy. So he's not really a YouTuber. I don't know if he really cares about subscribers or anything like that. But if you're interested in art, definitely go look at his stuff and go watch his videos and stuff. And it's really cool. Okay? But for actual YouTubers who are consistent and who post and motivate you while doing stuff that they love to do, and he's also passionate, and he does designing as well, Uncommon Sense, definitely check him out, okay? My throat hurts. Okay, let's look at this part. This says, what is a good IQ score? The average IQ score is always 100. Your personal score tells you your IQ ranking as 100. Most people score between 85 and 115. About 2% of the population has an IQ score lower than 69. Such a low IQ score often is hard to measure with a regular intelligence test. Very high IQ scores, say over 150. Great. Where the hell is the actual test? Okay, let's try this one. What is this? Question 1 of 8. Which figure logically belongs on the spot of the question mark? Logically? Should be 3. That one. Okay. Question 2 of 8. Which figure logically belongs? Okay, so it's just like figures and. Okay, so we got square, 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 circle, circle, circle. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heck to God. No clue what is happening. Okay, so it should have a box around it. Alright, question 3 of 8. Top, middle, bottom. Okay, so top, middle, bottom. So the bottom one should be at the bottom to this side. So this. Okay, question 4 of 8. What? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. What? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this should be 3. Okay. It spin me for a little loop there, but I got it eventually, I think. I don't know. Question 5 of 8. Okay, so dun 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 dun. Okay. Question 6 of 8. What is going on? Sorry, man. Triangle. Triangle. 4 box. 4 box. Oh, okay. So it's like split. Okay, so you have the star, and then it's split up into the first part was the box and triangle, and then box and triangle, and then the 4 dots and dots and dot in the box, and then triangle and then this. So that should be another triangle. Okay. Question 7 of 8. Jesus, what is these are crazy. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2. So it's like top and then center and then bottom. Okay. So the top is that. Center is that. What? Okay, boom. Boom. Okay, wait. What? Okay, so this one, each of them go down by 1. So it's down by 1, down by 1. So this is at the end, so it would be at the top. And then that's down by 1, so it would be this one. Okay. Question 8 of 8. Jeez, I did not expect this to be this wild, because it seems calm, but it's got my mind going crazy. 8 of 8. Which figure logically? Okay, it's the same question all the time. Okay. Boom, boom, 2. boom, boom, 2. So this one is gonna be this part and this part. This one's open and then that one. So this. Did I fail? Your IQ score is between the range of 133 up to 145, or it may even be. It may? What? Okay. So my IQ range is 133 to 149. Okay. And it says I can do a more elaborate test, so I'm gonna do this test and I'm gonna do it on camera as well, but I'm gonna speed it up because I'm already seeing 19 minutes on the clock. So let's click on that bad boy. 25 questions, 30 minutes. Good gracious. Oh, it's not free. I'm not doing it because I wanted a free test. I googled free test. I'm not doing it. I'm poor. I am poor. Okay, so that's the end. I'm a genius. Einstein could never, period. I think Einstein could, but could he really? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to go check out Uncommon Sense. His page is so freaking awesome. I get bored easily, and I'm not bored on his channel, and he's talking about sense, and I don't really wear perfume or lotion or anything like that, so that should tell you. You can actually watch his channel and actually engage, and you won't be bored. So love that. Now remember to subscribe to me, like my videos, watch my videos as well. I do appreciate you. And yeah, my throat hurts. So I'm just gonna pack it up for today. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.